Here we are going to talk about this indicator that I think it will be nice for everyone to use in your trading. This indicator is called Forex Triple Hit, and well, I've been using it for trading. Yes, I've been using it for trading. Now I want to show you the strategy that I use, and you can also get a free download from my website and also use it. Okay, so this is how it goes. This indicator shows you what you see here. So let's look at the interface here, and from here you can see these blue lines here. Then we have the yellow lines here, and this what do you call it, arrows. So let's get back from here so that you can see some profitable trades areas from here. For example, this blue, you see when the blue started, this blue also showed up. So immediately you see this, something like this, it means that buy. And you can see from here that this went up from here and it continued up to this level. It showed another blue arrow, which is also buy. It means that you need to still buy. And it continued another blue, and all this while these guys were still showing. So here shows the strength of, okay, it shows the strength of the market, okay, for that particular direction. So you can see that it came down and it also showed blue and it went back, okay, until to this position. When it got to this position, it showed the yellow, okay, this one showed up, this one showed up. So this means that you need to go on a sell, okay, on a sell. But along the line, I also have another indicator called the Holy Grail. Okay, so the Holy Grail, you can see I have something like this, something like this. I have another Holy Grail here. So these guys shows you when you have some short opportunities that you can take them, but you can profit with this particular indicator, which you can see here. Okay, so whenever you come here, you can see it. Now when it started showing sell here, it went until it showed a short, okay, buy over here. So here showed buy, it came a bit down and showed another buy here. So imagine you bought at this particular position. So let's say that you bought it here. Here is where you placed your buy. Okay, you'll be able to enjoy some profits up to this particular point. Okay, and then one way that I also use to check, one way I use to check it is, well, if it will come down, is when I check for the left part of this particular let's say kind of bar. Okay, so whenever you look at it, you see that when it got to this particular point, the next one that came was short. So if you know, if you check it and you can see that the thing coming is shorter than the first one, then it means that the thing is losing, the strength is coming down. Okay, the strength is coming down. So you can decide to end your trade. Okay, you can decide to end your trade, or you can even buy. For example, let's look at this. When it shows the sell sign, it started coming down. Okay, and look at this point, it started coming down, and look at this point. When it got to these two lines, look at this, and look at this one too. Okay, look at this one I'm talking about here. So look at these two. When it got to these two, the next one that came was a shorter one, and it started reducing till it got here. And look at what happened here. It started reducing till the buy sign showed up. Okay, it started reducing till it got here, and it got this, the buy sign. Okay, and when it went up to this particular part, look, the 3 here, it started reducing till you got the sell. Okay, now one thing I've also used during this kind of trading is that I have the five, yeah, I have this kind of, let me check the indicator list that I have. So I have the Holy Grail that I normally use. Okay, I have the people pave that I also use. I think I even have it 2 times here. Let me delete one. Oh, sorry, I think, okay, I'll add them. Okay, I'll add them. So let me even take off the Holy Grail so that I can explain it better to you guys. So this is the Forex Triple Hit that I use. So whenever it gets to this particular point, you can do, but it doesn't work at all points. Look at this particular place. Imagine when the thing got here, you made your buy. Okay, you still could have profit because look, it went up before showing. Okay, before showing this particular here, but here you need to wait a lot. Okay, and that is bad. So it doesn't work at much at those places, but if you can simply obey, okay, if you can simply obey, what do we call, when this changes occurs, I think you will enjoy better. Okay, I think you will enjoy better. So let me add the people. Yes, this particular guy helps me a lot, and I will explain that to you. Let's get the other one. Oh, why is the signs not showing? Okay, let me take it off and add this indicator. Okay, it is Forex Triple Hit. Okay, so I just add them, so you could see that the signs are now showing. Now let's get to this particular point. Whenever you get here, there is something you need to see here. I have my resistance here, I have resistance number 2 here, I have my support here, and I have the support number 2 also here. So what I normally do is that, let's check something from here. Here is the buy. Let's say that I got my buy from here. Okay, this showed the buy, so immediately I get the buy sign. Okay, the first thing I need to do is, where am I buying to? Okay, where will be my TP? So the first thing that comes to my mind is, I'm looking for the first resistance. The first resistance. So if I'm looking for the first resistance, then I know here, which is 1.39444, is my first TP. So that is my TP, and normally I go for the first TP. Now using the same strategy, let's look at something. So at this point, I got my TP hit. You see, the TP got hit at this particular point, 1.39444. Now let's come here. When I got the sign here, the first thing that came into my mind is, where is my support? The thing is coming down, so it needs to hit the support. Okay, it needs to hit the support, and look, support was at 1.38857. so this means that you can make good money out of this. Okay, you can make good money out of this. Why am I saying this? Just calculate the number of pips from this particular end, okay, to the support, and then calculate with your, what do you call, your load size, and you could know that you make more money from this. Now one thing here is that not every time you're gonna get this, okay, but you can use the strategy here and you can see it. Okay, look, here was buy, here was buy, what do we call it? Yes, here was buy, but here was not able to hit the support, sorry, the resistance. I wasn't able to hit the resistance here. It came down and it went to hit it at this particular point. Okay, so patience is the key in this. That is one. Patience is the key. You need to be patient with your trade. Now let's get to another point I was playing, because if you are able to sell at this particular position, look, sell were able to show up on the resistance number 2. Resistance number 2. And at resistance number 2, it went down, it came up, and it went down to hit the support number 1, and even support number 2. I'm sure it got hit. Okay, so this is my support number 1, this red line, and this is the support number 2. So you can see that it is possible. Now let's get here again and see. When this sign showed up, here was my buy. It went and hit the support number 1, hit support number 2, but wasn't able to hit the support number 3. So this means that you could have made good money from here. Okay, good pips. Let's still get down here. So here is the pivot. Okay, so let's come here. Let's come here. This was below. Okay, this was below. So as the trade gets, this was support. Okay, until it came here, back into the support and resistance. Okay, back to support and resistance. So at this particular junction, you could see that this guy is trying to go up. So it will go up, get to this particular zero here, and then it will be buy. And what will happen here is that immediately the thing changes to buy. All that I do is set my TP at this particular level. Okay, set my TP at this particular level. So I love really using this particular indicator. I like it so much. When I use it, and then I use the Fibo, okay, as well for the support and resistance. If it's coming from top, I know it is coming to hit the support. Okay, it will come and hit the support. So I do it something like that. And in most cases too, I won't allow it to hit the support. Yes, we have news and all those kind of things, so you need to check all those things up and then make sure that you make some good profit. If it's getting to a particular news, then you can simply end your trade and take the profit that you have made. Okay, yeah, so you can decide to use this particular indicator, and also use which correspond to these signals that it gives you. Okay, these signals that it gives you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I would like to end the video here. Yeah, you just go into the description part of this video for the link to my web page, where you get access to this indicator. Download and use it like you want. Okay, yeah, it's just free. You can download and use it. Okay, and use it. If you don't know how to install the indicators on your laptop like I've done, kindly watch my video on how to install custom indicators. Okay, custom indicators. I have a video on that. You can just check it up and then use it. So there are more indicators that I will explain, more indicators that I will bring to you in videos like this. You can just take the indicators, try it once a while. Okay, just download them and then try them until you have a set of indicators that are helping you in your trades. Okay, so thank you for watching, and let's meet in our next video. But wait, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please just subscribe to it. It's a channel where I explain how to make money online. Yes, how to make money online. We talk about trading, we talk about many different things. It's just full set of videos for you so that you can also make it online. So kindly subscribe to this channel. Okay, if you have any question, kindly leave in the description part of this video, and let's rock. Let's really make money from Forex and other online ventures. Thank you, and let's meet in our next video.